We are at Rio Muchacho, which is an organic farm. Also has some little houses that you can stay in. It's all eco-friendly and composting toilets. It's been here for about 20 years, so it's a good example of what you can do over time. It's pretty cool. Check it out. Milking a cow.
It felt pretty nice, actually.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just pull on those things. Definitely some technique to it. Gotta get that down. Cow seemed to like it.
If I could make it till tomorrow, if I could make it one more day, I wouldn't feel so sad and lonely, yeah. I wouldn't feel so out of place, yeah, yeah. I wouldn't feel so out of place. If you ever come and see me in the sorry state I'm in, I wouldn't try to get too close to me, my friend. I wouldn't wanna get you sick, yeah, yeah. I wouldn't wanna get you sick, because this feeling is contagious.
First you cut it, then you scrape it, and you keep
contagious, yeah. It never leaves me alone, no, no. It's never leaving me alone.
make your cheese, cut the lime, smash it, put it into there, dump it in there, stir it up, see it.
I had a drink with myself, and in that crowded room of strangers, I didn't drink with no one else. I didn't drink with no one else. Then I went back to my apartment. Then I went back to my hotel. Then I went back down to my hometown. It never really felt like home, no, no. It never really felt like home. So if you ever get this feeling, and you're in the state I'm in,